Society was divided into estates. Each had its privileges and obligations. In Europe, England was ruled by kings of the Tudor dynasty at the beginning of the 17th century. At that time, the Pope was the head of the Roman Catholic Church. But the Tudor kings refused to accept the authority of the Pope. They thought that England should be independent of the Pope and Roman Catholic Church. New conflict started between the parliament and the kings as to who was more powerful in the kingdom. In 603 CE, James I of Stuart dynasty became the king of England after the death of the last queen of Tudor dynasty. The king needed the approval of this parliament to impose any tax or approve new laws. He did not want the parliament to question him. He believed that the absolute powers of the king were given by God. This was called the divine right theory. James I was succeeded by Charles I. Charles I dissolved the parliament and ruled for 11 years without any parliament. But in 1640 CE, he needed money to fight some wars. So he was forced to summon the parliament to get special grants. This parliament continued 1640 to 1660 CE and hence it is called the Long Parliament. The Long Parliament decided to control the king and his ministers. It stopped the working of special courts created by the king. The parliament tried to arrest his opponents in the parliament. A civil war started between the parliamentary party and the king's party. Ultimately, Charles I was defeated and executed in 1649 CE and England became a republic. In 1688 CE, William of Orange and his wife Mary, granddaughter of Charles I, were invited by the parliament to occupy the throne of England. In the new system of government, ministers and the king had limited powers. This was the beginning of parliamentary democracy in England. This was called constitutional monarchy. All this took place without shedding a drop of blood or firing a single shot. This transformation, therefore, is known as glorious or bloodless revolution. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates.